Well, the government has come under fire recently over the outcome of its tax policy revisions and sudden backtracking on plans to revamp the national health insurance program.
Well, in a likely response to her falling approval ratings, President Park Geun-hye ordered the cabinet and her office staff to better consult before putting the policies in place. Choi You-sun has our top story.
Amid a public backlash over the government's tax policy revisions and its suspension of reforms to the national health insurance program, President Park Geun-hye called for greater coordination between the cabinet and her office. The cabinet and her secretaries recently launched a regular consultative meeting, and President Park asked both sides to thoroughly discuss each and every policy before implementing them. She emphasized that officials must clearly understand how a policy will affect the lives of the public through simulations and data analyses. Otherwise, she said, its purpose will eventually be defeated. The president did not, however, respond to the ruling party's calls for administration to decide between increasing taxes to add welfare benefits or scaling down on welfare to avoid raising taxes. Earlier on Tuesday, ruling party leader Kim Moo-sung had heavily criticized President Park's election pledge to increase welfare without a tax hike.
A recent poll showed 65% of Korean people thought it would be impossible to expand welfare without raising taxes. I agree with them, and it would be wrong for a politician to deceive the public by promising more welfare without raising taxes.
Instead, Kim said the priority should be to review where the welfare budget is being spent and to seek ways to reduce expenses before opting to raise taxes. As for the government's backtracking on health insurance reforms, Kim vowed to initiate better communication between the party, government, and presidential office. Choi You-sun, Arirang News.